Hello everybody, Levi Clay here, and yes, this doesn't look like a Brent Mason solo, but don't worry, it is coming. I'm currently sat in Tennessee. In fact, I'm at Dollywood after hanging out with the guys at the Woodshed Guitar Experience, where I got to meet one of my heroes. In fact, I got to share a stage with the incredible Brent Mason. So, you know I'm supposed to be relaxing, but for me, relaxing is music. And I wanted to sit and transcribe a solo by one of my favorite players and share it with you guys, because I hope you guys enjoy the music as much as I enjoy the music. So here's Brent Mason playing Swing with a Sting. I would encourage you to go and check out Brent's stuff, and if you have enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button, share, comment, all of that good stuff. And if you really want to help the channel out, check the link to Patreon below, where you can get this along with hundreds of other transcriptions and loads of cool content. Anyway, much love. I'm going to go back to relaxing by the pool, and I will see you for another video soon. Laters.